Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate you a open hand Wushu kata. First, see the demonstration, and at the end I will show you the attack and defense techniques. And now, the real time. First, hit your opponent with a knife hand strike. Perform a round hand block and hit your opponent with this hand. Now, perform 2 spear hand strikes and your leg will be in blocking position. Performing a normal strike, you need to perform this attack. Here, your leg is your main attack and your hand is to confuse your enemy. Now, go near to your enemy with jump and dodge his attack. Perform a block and hit with a palm push strike. Now look at here. You need to perform a spear hand strike on your enemy's nose or neck or in the eye. And this will force your enemy to go back. So this is the first part, and I will meet you in the second part with the second part of this kata. Thanks for watching.